Hi guys, how are you? Now today we have to discuss about the money online, money one. 12 ways you can absolutely make money online. For many people, making money online would be an absolute dream come true if they could find a way to make money with a website or some other online ventures. They could quit their job to focus on entrepreneurship, spend more time with their family, and finally take back control of their time and their lives. The crazy thing is earning money online isn't a pipe dream. I have been doing it for nearly a decade now with my website Good Financial Sense. I also know thousands of other people who are earning money online their own way with websites, courses, or unique marketing strategies. Now, here's the good news. The majority of online revenue strategies aren't that complicated. Like any business ventures, your online income takes time to grow. You need to be willing to devote the time and energy required to get your idea off the ground. And you need grit to stick with it even if your journey is slow when you first start out. If you are angeling to earn money online but aren't sure where to start, there are several of the best and most realistic strategies to consider it. 1. Google AdSense. If you have visited any website, you have seen Google Ads. These ads are everywhere and for good reason. Not only are they easy to set up on any basic websites, but they can be lucrative once your website starts bringing in a steady amount of traffic. One of the cool things about Google AdSense is that it's so easy to get set up. If you have a blog or website, you can sign up for a free Google AdSense account. From there, Google will give you a unique code that you will paste onto your website. Google takes it from there, tracking your page views, traffic, and earnings on your behalf. There is no upkeep or maintenance to get this thing going, which makes it a no-brainer if you have a website already. How much will you make? I think my best month with Google AdSense was almost $5,000 over the last 10 years. That amazing month blew my mind since it was actually near the beginning of my blogging journey. When you go from making zero to $5,000 in a month, that will rock your world. For me, it also got me even more excited because I knew there were other ways to monetize.